Every night, looking to the sky, waiting to catch up the brightest light. Wondering what's there, standing in the sky. Thunder and lightning in stormy days. Feeling overwhelmed, watching the west break. You need to find a way to go up there. Read about a child in the earth and grace who tried to build was wings to fulfill his dreams. He got on the brave, wanted to get the sign, the Tower of Babel. The Old Testament reflected the design of a whole civilization. They fought against God to live on their own. They dreamed, they tried, they failed. They couldn't get their goals. They dreamed, they tried, they failed. They couldn't get their goals. A sunny day when he was 13. He lost all his life, he lost his family. Now he can't forget them, can't make us stop the tears. Forever waste away to meet them in this life. His heart is beating and the soul is crying. It's the only dream, it's the only goal. Believe, believe, believe. He's trying to believe.